I'm Blake.
I'm Chase. We are the three Redhead boys. We're gonna test all the Oreos we have right here.
Okay, we have a lemon Oreo,
a birthday cake, a peanut butter pie one, a carrot cake, and a chocolate marshmallow.
Okay, Logan, why don't
We're
you
gonna
start?
off with a chocolate marshmallow one.
Blake.
I'm disgusting.
Do you like it, Logan? What do you rate it?
I give it a 7.
A 7? Okay, Blake.
I'm gonna puke out. It's that
Blake,
bad.
what do you rate it?
A 0.
Logan, what do you rate it?
A 7.
Okay. Well, we're
We're
going
gonna
next.
do
Marshmallow
carrot
is
cake
that
now. I hope it's
Oh,
delicious.
the carrot cake? I'm not sure.
I've never tried any of these.
I think it's good. Let me just finish this Oreo.
Does it taste like carrot cake, Blake?
Actually kind of does. Let me try it. It smells so good. Oh, that actually smells really good.
That tastes a lot better than I thought.
I give
Tastes
that
just
a
like
9.
carrot cake.
A 9 from Chase. What do you think,
I
Blake?
give it.
A 5.
I'll give it an 8.
No.
Okay, now try the next one.
Now we're doing a peanut butter pie one. Peanut butter chocolate
I
pie.
didn't even finish any of these.
Peanut butter frosting.
Go.
Well, it actually tastes like.
Peanut butter pie.
No.
It tastes like peanut butter. It tastes like a Reese's Pieces cup.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
What? How do you rate it, JC?
Good.
Blake, what do you think?
A 4.
A 4. Okay, Logan.
Reese's Pieces cups are my favorite candy, so 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 10 from Logan. Whoa. All right, next, birthday cake.
This is birthday cake. Let's see how it is.
I mean, more of those after.
Open it.
Logan's new.
Satisfaction.
Talking about coming up.
It tastes like a regular Oreo.
Does it? Does it just taste like a normal Oreo?
Yeah. I give it a 10.
A 10.
I give it 2.
A 2. Logan?
I'll give it a 6.
A 6. Okay. All
That's
right.
lemon.
On to the lemon.
I know this is going to give this a 10.
Well, Blake likes anything lemon.
Thank you.
I don't know. I like lemon.
Take one.
Me and Logan don't really like
Not really like lemon.
No.
Well, I guess if you like lemon, Blake,
10, 10, 10,
10, 10, 10, ding, ding, ding.
10, 10, 10, 10,
let's see what JC thinks.
10, 10, 10, 10,
Okay.
10, 10.
That's bad.
Logan doesn't like it.
For me, it's a 2 out of 10.
2,
I'll
JC.
give it a 1.
Oh, 1.
No,
Okay.
actually, I'll give it a 1. It's that bad.
So let's put all the Oreos back and you tell me which one is number 1 from all of you. What do you think?
Okay, I'll go first. Number 1 is obviously this one.
No, this one.
And Chasey?
Let me see. It's this one.
Birthday cake?
So Logan's first choice is peanut butter, Chase's first choice is birthday cake, and Blake's first choice is lemon.
Okay, and
Thank
now
you,
what
Oreo.
is your least favorite? Me and Chase is definitely lemon. Your
No.
least favorite.
You didn't like the
worst.
chocolate marshmallow either, I thought. Blake.
Really? That one's pretty good.
All right, so if Oreo wants to send us free Oreos to taste test anytime, they can. What do you guys say? Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.